I am from Gaugrass Maths Hub. I am going to discuss question number 18 that has been taken from exercise 5.1, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. The question is, for what value of lambda is the function f of x equal to lambda times of in bracket x square minus 2x if x is less than equal to 0. F of x equal to 4x plus 1 if x is greater than 0. Continuous at x equal to 0. What about continuity as x equal to 1? This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Here I shall write solution equal to, given that f of x equal to lambda times of x square minus 2x if x is less than equal to 0, 4x plus 1 if x is greater than 0. Now at s equal to 0, I shall prove the continuity. So here I shall write x equal to 0 imply that left hand limit equal to lim. Here x equal to 0. In this sense, here I shall write x and 0. And here, since left hand limit is written, so here write negative. F of x equal to lim x tends 0 of negative. X tends 0 of negative. This means that value of x must be less than 0. We have to choose one of these two functions in which value of x must be less than 0. So here you can see in the first function, here the value of x is less than 0. So here I shall write in place of f of x, I shall write lambda times of x square minus 2x. So here open big bracket, lambda times of x square minus 2x. This thing will be there. Now in place of x I shall put 0 minus h, so this it will become lim h tends 0. So here it will become lim h tends 0 lambda times, in place of x square I shall write here 0 minus h का whole square minus 2 in place of x write here 0 minus h, curly bracket close, square bracket close. Left hand limit comes out to be lim h tends 0 write here lambda in curly bracket 0 minus h का whole square comes out to here only h square. 0 minus h का whole square comes out to here h square. Here minus 2 will multiply to 0 comes out to here 0. Minus will multiply together, will get here plus 2h will get. Here write plus 2h. Comes out to be lim h tends 0 lambda h square plus 2 lambda h. Now lim h tends 0 will be removed from here. So put the value h is equal to here 0. तो you will get here lambda 0 का स्क्वायर प्लस 2 lambda 0 comes out to here 0. So at x equal to 0, left hand limit you have got here 0. Now at x equal to 0, I shall find out right hand limit. So here I shall write right hand limit at x equal to 0, right hand limit comes out to be lim f tends, here right is given x equal to 0. In this sense here I shall write f tends 0, or since right is given or positive, f of x I shall write lim h tends lim f tends 0 or positive. So here it says f tends 0 or positive. This means that the value of x must be greater than 0. So we have to choose only one function in which the value of x must be greater than 0. So here in this function, second function, you can see here f of x equal to 4x plus 1, in which the value of x is greater than 0. So here in place of f of x I shall write here 4x plus 1. So here write 4x plus 1 equal to lim x tends 0 or positive. Here I can write x tends 0. Open here curly bracket, here write 4. In place of x, I shall write 0 plus h का whole square. 0 plus h का whole square. 0 plus h, only 0 plus h will be there. Because in place of x, I shall write 0 plus h. So here write 0 plus h plus 1 equal to curly bracket close lim h tends 0 will get here 4 into 0 plus 4h plus 1. So here right hand limit equal to lim h tends 0, open here curly bracket, 0 will multiply to 4 comes out to here 0 plus 4h plus 1. This thing you will get. Now lim h tends 0, in bracket write here 4h plus 1. Remove lim h tends 0 from this function. Then put here h is equal to 0. So it will become 4 into 0 plus 1 comes out to here 1. At x equal to 0, right hand limit you have got here 1, and x equal to 0, at x equal to 0, left hand limit you have got here 0. So here I shall write since at x equal to 0 implies that left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit, because here at x equal to 0, left hand limit comes out to here 0, and here also at x equal to 0, right hand limit comes out to here 1. At x equal to 0, left hand limit is not equal to right hand limit. Therefore, hence f of x is discontinuous for any value of lambda. Second point I am going to solve here. What about the continuity at s equal to 1? So here at s equal to 1, I shall prove the continuity of f of x, whether continuity is available or not. So here I shall write at x is equal to 1, at s equal to 1 implies that left hand limit equal to lim f tends 1 of negative. Here s equal to 1 is written. In this sense, here I shall write f tends 1. Here since left hand limit is written, so for left I shall write a negative of fx is equal to lim f tends 1 of negative. This means that the value of x must be less than 1. The value of x must be less than 1. So we have to choose the function in which the value of x must be less than 1. Less than 1, less than 1 means it can be 0 also, and less than 1 means here find out less than 1. F tends 1 of negative. This means that x is less than 1. Once less x का value, so here you can see, here in first function x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 or x is less than 0. But here x is less than 1. So which function you will apply here? Here you can see the value of x is greater than 0. 0 से greater. So 0 से greater, x greater than 0. If I take this one, so 0 से greater you can find here 0.5. 0.5 the value of x. If you take here 0.5, so 0.5 is greater than 0. 0.5 is greater than 0. So put here the value of x as, let the value of x as 0.5. The 0.5 is greater than 0. But 0.5 here, 0.5 here is less than 1. So in this sense, I shall choose this function. If you put this function, so here x equal to 0 is there. Here x equal to 0 there. So, the value of x is less than 1. Less than 1 means 0 it will come. But also minus 1. X is less than 0, minus 1, minus 2 it will come. But here it said once the value of x must be less than 1. Once less comes out to be here, once less 0.5. 0.5 I take this function. This function. So here I shall write, in place of f of x, I shall write here 4x plus 1 is equal to, here put lim h tends 0 4 will come. In place of x, I shall write here 1 minus h plus 1. In place of x, I shall write here 1 minus h plus 1, 4. So here we will get lim h tends 0, 4 minus 4h plus 1. 4 minus 4h plus 1. H tends 0. So here you will get at h equal to 1 implies that left hand limit equal to lim h tends 0 will be removed. Put the value here h equal to 0. So you will get here 4 minus 4 into 0 plus 1 comes out to here 4 plus 1 minus 0 comes out to here 5. At s equal to 1, left hand limit you have got here 5. And also at s equal to 1, I shall find right hand limit. So here write at s equal to 1 imply that right hand limit equal to lim x tends 1 are positive, f of x equal to lim x tends 1 are positive. Here x tends 1 are positive means the value of x must be greater than 1. So we have to choose a function such that in which the value of x must be greater than 1. So here you can see greater than 1 in the f of x equal to 4x plus 1 is the function in which the value of x is greater than 1. So here I shall write 4x plus 1 equal to lim h tends 0, open here big bracket, here write 4. In place of x, I shall write 1 plus h plus 1 I shall write equal to lim h tends 0, 4 plus 4h plus 1 comes out to here 5. 4 plus 1 will get here 5. I put h equal to 0. So here 4 will multiply to 0 comes out to here 0. 4 plus 1 comes out here 5. Lim h tends 0 will be removed. So here you can see at x equal to 1, left hand limit you have got here. At x equal to 1, left hand limit you have got here 5. And also at x equal to 1, right hand limit you have got here 5. So in this case, at x equal to 1 implies that left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Hence, and also I shall take f of 0. I shall take at x equal to 1 implies that f of 1, the value of x must be 1. This function I shall choose in which f of x equal to 4x plus 1, x greater than 0, in which the value of x is 1. So here I shall write 4 into 1 plus 1 comes out to here 4 plus 1 comes out to here 5. So you have got here, since f of 1 is equal to left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. So f of x is CTS at s equal to 1. CTS continuous. CTS is continuous for all values of x. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 18, exercise 5.1, chapter 5, continuity and differentiability. Okay guys, thanks.